What's going on, all my friends across the world and on YouTube? This is Chris, Ckho81. I'm here to do a reaction to a fail video from Fail Army. This one's called Idiots in the Kitchen, Funny Food Fails. So I'm looking forward to watching and reacting to this. I'm going to give it a thumbs up, a like right now. That way I don't forget. I'm already subscribed to them. If you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed to me as of yet, once you do, I'll get a notification and I'll subscribe back to your channel as well. That way we're helping each other out. I think it's only fair. Now, without further ado, I'm going to blow up the screen to extra large. And let's get into the video. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, she's trying to get fancy with it and mess things with. Oh.
There you go. 1, 2, 3. Come on!
Oh, no, cake. No, not the cake.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, shit. Quit while you're ahead.
Crack a bit of butter in there.
Oh, what are you doing with that hot butter? Nah, man.
Yeah.
Oh, that was a hot pan. Wow. Did that butter go up? Oh, she tried to salt bam with the pepper. The lid popped right off. Oh, some of the grease at the burner. Oh, that looked like it was perfectly cooked too.
Give it to
Oh,
Bill.
fishery.
Give it to Bill.
La madre que te parió.
Somebody's little birthday surprise gone down. Dumped her in the water. Trough, the water trough, I think it's called. Oh, oh. Very nice move. First thing you do is get that propane tank turned right off. Not very good. Didn't even see what happened. Let's leave it there. Oh, the demon, it just failed. I don't even think anybody was really leading it on it or nothing.
Seriously? Seriously? You gonna stand there on the food with your boots?
He is. Why would they move? Oh man, it's so wrong. They just move him over. At least it wasn't right over your food.
Oh, Dylan, that was all you, buddy.
You mess around, you find out.
Oh yeah, we have.
You looked around like, did Obanoy seen that?
Okay.
This guy was feeling cool for a minute too. Just for a minute. Try to get something from above it to knock it down, and then they both get stuck. It's classic.
That's what happens when Daddy cooks.
Let's see your shirt. Let's see your shirt. What? Why
I was
does this happen to
thinking
me?
he was slick.
Oh, I just wanted to make a pizza.
Nice one, buddy. He was like, well, we should triple flip this. Get it right back in the pan on the right side. Perfect center.
You gotta try this.
On his head.
Oh.
Oh, you crap. I did that before somehow. I don't remember what I did, though. Make it pop. I think I took it out, put it on the counter, and the counter was wet. Maybe is what I did.
The hottest chili in the world.
Cracked in half.
The Carolina Reaper. I'm gonna do a spoonful taste test for you. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that looks smart.
Oh, yeah. Oh! Nice smooth cream.
The guys is taking
Crack
it.
a new one. We're doing the honey mustard IPA. So here you go. You ready? Oh, no.
Good one.
All right.
A honey mustard IPA, like beer.
Spaghetti squash in the microwave. Is that what happens?
3 minutes to soften it so I could cut it.
Popped. That he was too funny. And he wasn't. Nice, we got it. Are you built for that type of plane? No, no, he isn't. Stop the smoking. What are you thinking?
Mama, was machst du heute?
Take stuff out there like that. Oh, popcorn. Oh, it's just gonna blow everywhere. How's it smoke? Oh, yeah. Should at least do it in a big pot with a lid. Disgusting, too.
Nicole? Oh, damn it! Come on. Damn it!
Didn't catch anything. Oh, maybe a little bit there. Was she dancing with it, dancing around with it on her way up? Like that was a full, could have been used in a rocket experiment. Oh, good.
Go show it to her. No.
That's quite the spread. Oh. That's putting all your eggs in one basket, too, as they found out. I bet you they don't do that spready anymore.
Cake is.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here's how to make spaghetti.
This cake's getting ruined. I don't like it.
You have to make sure that
I like
it's,
cake. I would enjoy some cake right now.
Hold on there. Wait a minute.
I'm gonna be having oranges
You have to
later.
make sure that there's water in that thing, but why is it on the bottom?
Some rolls
This is why I don't
or something. It was leaking. I don't think rolls leak.
It's supposed to be a cookie.
Ooh. Yeah.
Well, like,
Yeah.
right, but also.
Don't do that
good.
again. Is that glass that she's cooking on? And it was. Oh, you were trying to get it off of that. That ain't coming off of
I
that
think
like
I put
that.
too much in the pot.
You're gonna slide off. It's sticky dough.
Okay, so I'm on my lunch break right now, and Dave's downtown is doing drone delivery, and the drone is literally coming up to my window with the food. Oh no. Okay.
Should have been better putting that in the oven on that wood.
No.
Let it rise a little bit.
No. Oh,
And before she even put that dough down, she should have put
that was like
flour on the
14
cutting board.
bucks.
And then, or on the wooden thing, and then she could have. It's horrible.
So, this is not.
And when it started to rise a little bit,
Okay, well. Oh no!
you could pull it right off of there pretty easily. It would have slid off of it. At least everything, the cheese would have been melted and would have kind of like all the piece of toppings wouldn't have been falling off so easily. Could have got it off, boom, and then let it cook the rest of the way without it.
Let me just.
It's probably delicious, but just I know those ones. It's just too tasty. You've been waiting too long. It looks too good for you not just to. And then all of a sudden you're got blisters on the inside of your mouth or on your gums.
I'm making a fruit salad, so I'm gonna put some cucumber there with some lemon. And let's do it.
Oh, look,
this cucumber's red.
Cucumber.
Wait.
That would have been a huge ass cucumber if it was. Steve and
They really shrunk down.
guys with these glass. Yeah.
Mom hack time. Okay, so take a strawberry, put it in an egg slicer.
Yeah, you gotta have a really good strong one, not flimsy like that. Gingerbread house looks so good too. What kind of?
Say it.
Burning stuff in the microwave? Oh, man. Just gonna say it's a tip over.
Okay. Am I in a stressful situation? Is this situation a little stressful? I don't sense no stress.
Do I scare him off?
You know, that you can be scenes of it. This is way too good. Seriously, guys, I'm not here to hurt anybody. I mean, peace. I'm just gonna have a few more and then I'll be gone. Deer. Eating off the barbecue. Cheeky little bum.
Pacchetto uovo.
That's cheesy.
Uè, olè, guarda, è buonissimo, mamma,
Well, that's a lot of hot dogs for that girl. Always sharing with the goat. Their butts.
9:30, other side.
So the goat, you get the horns. Oh.
Okay, I'm okay. Oh my god. I set the up the hallway alarm on. Okay, hold up. My steak.
What type of pan is that she cooked on? Oh, that was high temperature. Supposed to make a high temperature to that high.
Fuck, I don't know what to do, guys. I don't know what to do.
Put a pan over top of it, the lid, or grab some baking powder or flour or something and dump it over the top, smother it. No water though. Okay, geez, that was a stunning video. You guys got as much of a kick out of it as I did, and I will see you on my next video.